If I was a tumbleweed, just as restless as the breeze, would you try and shake me loose? If I was caught down at your knees. If I was a pile of leaves, would you jump right in, just to rake me back into a pile, so you could jump in again? If I was a baby bird, just a singing in the trees, would you stop what you were doing and sing along with me? If I got down on one knee and I asked you for your hand, would you spend eternity with me as your man? See the green grass peek out of the thaw. See the house cat that got out on the lawn. Well, as his owner bends to pick him up, suddenly she stops. She notices the winter is gone. Now the city workers are finally getting around to taking the decorations down from all of the lampposts all over town. Summer won't be too long now. It can be hard to see the way nature changes day to day, but I guess that's just the nature of change. But humankind can be awfully unkind when forced to face the facelessness of time. And that's why I'm glad we got the seasons there to remind us there's more to living than what occupies our minds. So whether you're on the bus with your face pressed to the glass, or on the fifth the nature of change. So if you see a falling star, then make a wish. But when a wish comes true, there's usually a twist. You might be better off to just accept life as it is and appreciate the fact that falling stars exist.